Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can change name of your list in Any.do. So what you want to do is go right top corner and click like work. Then what you want to do is go right top corner to the three dots and you're gonna see here edit list name. Click on it and I can go work 1 to 3, click done, and voila, here we got it. When I'm going to open again my list menu, I gotta see that the work is automatically changed to work 1 to 3, and I got it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and I hope we are going to have a great day. So see ya.